Shri Guru Sharana Saroja Raja Nijamana Mukura Sudhari Varanao Raghubara Vimala Jaso Jodayaku Palachar Buddhi Hinna Janu Ke Sumiro Pawana Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kale Savikar Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapi Satihun Loka Ujagar Ramaduta Atulita Baladama Anjani Putra Pawana Sutanama Mahavira Vikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivara Sumati Ke Sanki Kanchana Varana Suviraja Subesa Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesa Padra Ardhuvaja Viraje Kanti Munja Jane Husaje Sankara Sufana Kesari Nandana Teja Pratapa Mahajagabandan Vidyavana Guniyati Chatur Rama Kaja Karibe Kuatur Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Korasiya Rama Lakhana Sita Manabasiya Sukshma Rupa Darisiya Hidikawa Vikata Rupa Darish Sri Lanka Jara Bhima Rupa Dari Asura Sanghare Ramachandra Ke Kaja Savari Lai Sajivana Lakhana Jiyaya Shri Raghuvira Harashi Uralaya Raghupati Kinhi Bahuta Badai Tuma Mama Priya Bharata Hi Sambhai Sahasa Badana Tumharo Yashagawe Ushakashi Pati Kantalagi Sankadika Brahmadi Amunisa Narada Sarada Sahita Ahisa Yam Kubera Dikpala Jahate Kahi Kovida Kahi Sake Tuma Upkara Sugriva Hikinha Rama Milai Raja Padadinha Tumharo Mantra Bibhishana Mana Lankeshwara Baye Subhana Yuga Sahasra Jojana Parabhanu Lilotahi Madhura Falajanu Prabhu Mudrika Meli Mukhi Mai Jaladi Sangigaye Acharaji Durgamnaj Kejete Sugaman Gruhe Ramaduvare Tumarakavare Utna Agya Binu Paisare Subha Sukla He Tumhasare Tumalaksha Kakahu Kodarna Apana Teja Saharo Ape Tihulokahannakadede Bhuta Bisacha Nikatahikataye Mahavira Jabanama Sunawe Nazaroga Harabe Sikare Sankata Se Hanumana Chudawe Manakarama Bachana Dhyanakudawe Sumapararamastapassavi Raja Tin Kachakalatummasaja Om Manurata Joko Ilawe Suyare Pawana Sutaraye Sharana Juga Partabha Tumhara Jai Pasera Jagatu Yujara Sadhu Santa ke tumara kaware Asura Nikandana Rama Dulare Ashta Seri Navanidike Data Usha Bharadina Janaki Mata Rama Rasayana Tumhare Pasa Sadara Ho Raghupati Ke Dasa तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबीर पुर जाया जहन जन्म जरी की काया वडविता चित नदराही हनुमंत से अरे सुरख की कारी संकट के मिटय सब पीरा जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई जो सत पर करे ओ कोई बोटी की काल कमहक कोकी जो यकारे चालीसा सखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा केजेदास हृदय मदेरा पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहिता हृदये बसहो सुरदूप. Now there are many mistakes, but I kept the rhythm. That was my attempt to use the English transliteration, the songs in Hindi written with the English alphabet letters, to emulate or say the Hindi words for lack of better words at the moment. Jai Sri Ram. You're supposed to start praying to Ganesha first. So now you're doing, to me, my opinion is, you invite people to your house, and you're going to worship God, and you are going to ignore those people because they all show up to show how many friends you have, but you are not their friends, right? So then people you invite to your house that come, you have to treat them properly as if they're gods, because God sent them. God asked them to accept your invitation, God or the devil. Now, even if a devil comes to your house, you welcome the devil because you asked the devil, and you negotiate with the devil. Now he's in your house, and you have guards at the door, and he has guards overhead and at the back of the house, and at the head of the street. Is it like that? Maybe.